Get it. Okay. Okay. All right. Yo, I ain't gonna lie though. I ain't gonna lie. I thought the joint was gonna fall down. You heard? Okay. Good.
Oh, you fucking asshole.
He said, asshole.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, go stay down.
I need to talk to you.
What the heck? Yo, buddy is... Yo, are you safe? Like, I'm scared right there, buddy.
Oh my god.
Did she just hit her? Oh, yo, she's speaking... when you start speaking another language, you know you scared. I don't... Jesus Christ. Yo, they got Jeffrey Dahmer? Yo, what is he doing?
Oh, you little shit. What do you get off on scaring me?
Yo, they about to steal